Yeah, it's my dilemma.
But you need to really be thankful for the life you got, you know what I'm saying? Stop looking at what you ain't got, start being thankful for what you do got. Just give it to them, baby.
When I'm on my girls be looking like that. That's right.
Let me see, we're gonna go far, 'cause everyone knows you're
Big old
so live your life. You steady chasing that paper, just live your life. Ain't got no time for no haters, just live your life. No telling where it'll take ya, just live your life. 'Cause I'm a paper chaser, just living my life.
Never mind what haters say, norms till they fade away. Amazing they embrace, but after all the game I gave away. Safe to say I paved the way for you cats to get paid today. We'll still be wasting days away now had I never saved the day. Consider them my protege, knowledge I think they should pay. Instead of being gracious, they violate in a major way. I never been a hater, still I love them in a crazy way. Some say they so yeah, you know they couldn't get work on Labor Day. It ain't that black and white, their hands in area, the shade is gray. I'm west side anyway, except I left the game stayed away. Some move away to make a way, not move away today and pray. I brought back to the roots, and all you ever did was take away. I pray for patience, but they make me wanna melt their face away. Like I once made them spray, now I can make them put the cane away. Been thugging all my life, can't say I don't deserve to take a break. You better see me catch a case and watch my future fade away. Immaculately polished with the spirit of a hustler and the swagger of a college kid. Allergic to the counterfeit, impartial to the politics, articulate, but still a grabber by the collar quick. Whoever having problems with their record sales, just holler till. If that don't work and all else fails, then turn around and follow till. I got love for the game, but hey, I'm not in love with all of it. Could do without the fame, and rappers nowadays are comedy. The hooting and the hollering, back and forth with the arguing. Where you from, who you know, what you making, what kind of car you in. Seems as though you lost sight of what's important when depositing the checks into your bank account and you up out of poverty. Your values is in disarray, prioritizing horribly. Unhappy with your riches cause you're piss poor morally. Ignoring all prior advice and forewarning, and we mighty full of ourselves all of a sudden,
Got
aren't
everybody
we?
watching what I do. Come walk in my shoes and see the way I'm living if you really want to. Got my mind on my money and I'm not going away. So keep on getting your paper and keep on climbing. Look in the mirror and keep on shining. Till the game ends, till the clock stops, we gon' post up on the top spot. So live your life. You said you're chasing that paper, just live your life.
pennies hit the ground every time I give them shots. So cuffs in the air, everybody, let's take shots.
If you feeling drunk, put your hands in the air. And if you tryna fuck, put your hands in the air. Now say I'm fucked up. I'm fucked up. I'm tryna fuck. I'm tryna fuck.
Shots, Patron's on the rocks, and I'm ready for some shots. The women come around every time I'm pouring shots. Their panties hit the ground every time I give them shots. So cuffs in the air, everybody, let's take shots.
Let's go! Walking down the street in my new freak, yeah. This is how I roll. Till I blow up, and I can drink until I throw up, and I don't ever want to grow up, I wanna keep it going, keep it going, going. It's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be good night, baby. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna. I got a little bit trashed last night. I got a little bit wasted. I got a little bit mashed last night. I got a little shit-faced. Well. Wasted, so what? Irrelevant. Get kicked to the head, who's selling it? I got a hangover, that's my medicine. Don't mean the bag I sound too intelligent. A little jack can't hurt this celebrant. I show up, but I never throw up, so let the drinks go up, I got a hangover, whoa. I've been drinking good night. That tonight's gonna I got a hangover, whoa. That tonight's gonna I got an empty cup, pour me some more. So I can go until I blow up, and I can drink until let's spin it up, go out and smash, like oh my god, jump out that sofa, come on, let's get oh, fill up my cup, my baton, look at it dance, just take it, let's take it down. make it work. You know what we say, party every day, party every day, and I'm feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night.
Ball so hard, motherfuckers wanna find me. First niggas gotta find me. What's 50 grand to a motherfucker like me? Can you please remind me? Ball so hard, this shit crazy. Y'all know that no shit crazy. Let's go. Over 82 when I look at you like this shit crazy. Ball so hard, this shit weird. We ain't even supposed to be here. Ball so hard, since we here. Only right when we be fair. Psycho, a lipo, go Michael, Take Mick, Jackson, Tyson, Jordan, Game 6. Ball so hard, got no Rollies, don't tick-tock. All the Mars, that's losing time. Hidden behind all these big rocks. I'm so hot, I'm shocked too. I'm supposed to be locked up too. You escape, but I escape. You in Paris getting fucked up too. All so hot, let's get faded. Lotteries for like 6 days. Gold bottles, soul models. Still a days of my 6 J's. So all so hot, bitch, behave. Just might let you be gay. Shot-town, B-Roll, over the next B-A. All so hot, motherfuckers wanna find me. That shit great. That shit great. That shit great. What goes so hard, motherfuckers wanna find me. That shit great. That shit great. That shit great. Said get married at the mall. I seen a little money crawl for you, Bob. Come and meet me in the bathroom style and show me why you deserve to have it all. Goes so hard, that shit great. Ain't it Jay? What she order? It's filet. Yo, it's so cold. It's so dang.
One song only.
Let's go way out,